I got the Estarli e20 for my camper van, and it's been the perfect companion for my van camping trips because it's small, it's compact, doesn't take up too much space, and it's been brilliant for exploring around wherever it is I'm visiting without having to take the van out every time, so it saves me money on fuel and parking costs. But what I found that I didn't expect was I've actually ended up using it a lot more than I expected because it's just so much fun. Yes! The electrical assistance takes the hard effort off cycling, so you're just left zipping along, wind in your hair and a big grin on your face. Now, I'm quite an active person, but this is still perfect for those days I want to go out and have an adventure without breaking a sweat. So for example, I can go out for an 8-hour hike one day, and then the next day I can go out for a 2-hour cycle on this bike without being totally exhausted, which, by the way, makes this a fantastic tool for recovery. It's a bike I expected I would really only use on my holidays, but I found that I use the thing all the time and I love it.